Hey guys, today we're going to be putting some darker film on these side marker lights so that they don't stand out so much, because the rest of my truck is all gray and black themed, and that's the only amber light showing on the side. So I want to cover it up with this window tint, and I'll show you in a second. But before you do that, you got to pop out the assembly. You don't have to unplug it, just pop it out. You can see this one's popped out. It's got a little latch there and a little latch there. I highly recommend getting these tools on Amazon. I'll put a link to the kit. They have several different plastic pry bars that won't mar your paint or anything like that. And they also have this really cool tool, which is good for those button style retainers around your fender well. This one is really good at getting those out without damaging them. So I highly recommend those, and let's get this window tint on. I realize that I said window tint earlier. I meant marker tint. This is what it looks like. It's laser cut out. You just peel and stick it. It's you can do it completely dry. You don't need to use any fluid or anything, and it comes out pretty wrinkle free. And you can see it blends in a lot better now, that side marker, compared to this one over here that I haven't done yet. So I like the way it looks. We'll see what it looks like when the actual lights are on. All right, sorry guys, I would try to show you this, what it looked like during the daytime, but the audio didn't turn out, so that part's gone. But this is a little bit after dark now. It's kind of still a little bit light, but the street lights are on. You can see that smoke tint really does make it blend in a lot more to that fender. And then here's what it looks like with it on. So it still looks yellowish. I wish that they had LEDs all the way up so that it looked even instead of just one at the bottom. But anyway, I think I like it a lot better. It doesn't stand out so much when they're off. So on to the next upgrade. We'll see you guys then.